How to load a flat cell. This is by far the fastest and simplest way to load a moving truck. A flat load can be used when a customer booked more truck than needed. Make sure to protect items with movers wrap. Load heavy items towards the front of the cab. No need for mom's attic, as this is usually all big items. Little to no stacking is involved. If you notice something is out of place or could shift during the ride, make adjustments. Tie down as needed. Once all items are secured and tied down, you're done. Lift the ramp out of the locking slots and place back down. Lift and push the ramp into the guided slot. Make sure to push it into the slot until it locks in place. Always make sure the door is locked before leaving to ensure the security of your customers' items.